venue for this matchup between National University and UP, and Maricar Nepomuceno finds a hole in that UP defense. Eto na po, namamaga na mga tao.
Wala namang upuan.
Bakit naman nung sinabi ko, namamaga ng mga tao? Pero ibig sabihin, kumakapal na eh. Bakit din, ano? Dumadami. O sige, sabihin na
Ang
natin.
hirap i-describe kasi.
Dumadami na mga tao dito sa arena as they anticipate the debut. Debut hindi po championship
Oo, yan. Kita nyo.
The debut of UST and Ateneo in Season 74. Usually yung mga balon na yan nakikita natin pag finals na.
Final Four.
Ngayon nagulat. Final Four. Man lang. Ngayon nagugulat tayo. Iyan, nakita natin, nagpasok ng mga balon itong mga taga-UST. On the first day.
On the first day. And indeed,
I've never seen that. I've never seen it.
Even if it's the first day, they know that they're going up against Ateneo. But let's look back 4 years back. Hindi gagawin ng UST.
Correct.
Pero now,
Lasal lang, siguro.
Siguro. Kung magkakaroon
Or,
opening day nila, yun ang kalaban agad nila.
Kahit nga hindi. Dahil USC usually also kind of lords it over the competition. Of course,
right.
LaSalle will have something to say about that. But iba na ang panahon, sabi mo.
UP.
Pero ganito pa rin tayo.
Tayo na lang na ipag-iwanan. Labo.
5 serving 10, Southland Ramos now on deck for the UP Lady Maroons as we check in with Steph C. Steph?
Well, it's been a jittery start for the UP Lady Maroons, but all is not lost because Coach Jared hopes that they can still extend the match to another set. He instructed the girls to stop stressing as he said to them, ang tigas natin sa loob, mag-enjoy tayo at mag-usap. What's essential now is for the girls to give their all and to keep their heads in the game, even if they're 2 sets behind. He needs them to relax, kaya sabi niya, wag natin isipin yung 2 sets kanina, basta isipin natin 0-0 tayo. So for this 3rd set, he expects the Lady Maroons to recover. After all, like he said to the team, nobody can help you except yourself. Bloom and Ian?
Thank you very much, Steph. 5-11. Sorry, 5-12 now, and you leading. You know, we're also making the same observations about UP from last year in the sense that they've always had the height, but they don't seem to have the quickness on the court, yung athleticism, agility, and this one goes back to one of the things that I remember saying in the closing game of UP last year in Season 73. I said, I hope they also get to catch up in the recruitment game.
That's right. I remember that.
Right, no? Ito, pakinggan muna natin ang UP.
Paano ngayon tayo mag-react doon? Okay ba natin makakabulin yung mga yan? Okay, wala na eh. Okay, simple lang nakikita dyan. Okay, ibig sabihin lang is, yung performance nyo is nag-give up na tayo. Okay, yun lang yun. Okay, so ang kailangan yung mangyari is paano natin gagawa ng paraan. Okay? Wala tayong simpleng movement, wala tayong drive, makuha rin yung bola. Willingness na makuha itong set na to. Okay? Yung kailangan naman natin, yung post naman natin, kuling gusto natin mangyari. Okay?
Pretty much Coach Jared saying that his team has they look like they've given up
already.
The match already. Although malayo na yung 13-5. Going back to what I was saying, I really sincerely, genuinely hope na they could catch up in the... Of course, it's easier said than done. I mean, there are a lot of factors, finances and otherwise, that are involved in recruiting. And, you know, a lot of the other schools have gotten backers that have really backed up that recruitment program, the rebuilding program.
And if you have a sports program in your school, you gotta be offering something. I'm not talking about only financially, but you gotta be offering something different. If you're a player and you've got, let's say, a UST or De La Salle recruiting you, UP really lacking in that effort. You have to show something extra to make that kid or
lucrative.
For her, let's say
enticing.
For example, we have a good program in the next 3 years. This is where we see ourselves. But without that, napakahirap magbigay ng pangako dun sa
Pero ang isa sa mga pinapangako talaga lagi sa mga paaralan na katulad ng UP is, you know, top rate education talaga.
Which is the priority.
Oh, yes, of
when
course,
when
of course.
you look at it, in reality, that is really the priority of why you're
Yes.
you know,
And now
enrolling in the college.
in one college. Oh, and now the argument of other schools on the table is that we also have that now, or we have gotten to that point now, and then some. Parang ganun, ano?
That's true, that's
May
true.
konting extra.
That's true. That's true.
But that's out of our hands. Really, just saying that as a sports fan, na parang, you know, because UP has always been a sentimental favorite for a lot of people, whether you're from that school or not. You always, again, Pinoy, you're always rooting for the underdog. So you want to see them get back up. Ang tagal na, no? Walang title. Sabi mo, ano,
53 or 83? I'm sorry, 83.
53? Huwag mo na naman kami ibalik doon sa panahon mo.
Hindi ko kasi naalala ko bigla. Nakikita kita yun.
Time out, Lady Bulldog.
Ayun, nabuhay, ha? Nabuhay ang UP dito.
10, UP.
Ay, baba ang kalamangan sa
4
apat.
points.
Yes. Kinig tayo kay Coach Francis.
Ay, naghihintay kayo ng error para mamatay ng bola. Hindi. Kailangan gumalaw pa rin kayo. Third set yan, 1-25. It's 11 points away. Matagal pa yan. Naintindihan. Huwag kayong pakumpiyansa. Kailangan todo tayo. Okay? Enyo.
Obviously trying to develop the killer instinct.
Schedule for the women's division
And
at 2 p.m.
I was wondering how the
FU
Lady
versus
Bulldogs
UP
will react
at
being up 2
3:30
sets to 0, 2 sets to none.
versus
Kasi kadalasan
Adamson.
on the third set, dyan pumapasok yung overconfidence, yung kumpiyansa. And tama yung sinabi ni Coach Francis, you just want to get it over with, but you fail to recognize that you still have to win this set. And you give an opportunity for your opponent to get back that, you know, the mental in the mental aspect, pwede pa rin kami makakasya. And then before you know it, you're in a dogfight in a fifth set.
And again, the lesson there for NU is that hindi mo pwedeng dalhin yung ganyang ugali pagkalaban mo na yung mga
Totoo yan.
Final Four teams.
Totoo yan.
Sa lipad now. Yes, go ahead.
Coach Francis was also telling in the timeout that you can't wait for errors to happen. You still have to make a go at it and you know, control the game. Hindi pwedeng magpadala na lang kayo and let the score go up and up until you reach 25.
Pareho lang yan ng tennis. Ang sinasabi, you either win the point or you force the error.
That's right.
16-10. Back in a moment.